Hi everyone. So welcome to my channel Learn Code for You. So in today's video we are gonna see what is assignment operator. So let's see what is assignment operator. Assignment operators assign value to JavaScript variables. So assignment operator basically are used to assign a value to a JavaScript variable. The most common one is the simple sign equal to. So basically, the most common one assignment operator is equal to, which is assign a value to a variable. So also, but JavaScript supports compound assignment operators that combine the math operations with assignment. So basically, if we are using like previously we have seen the arithmetic operators, if we combine them with the assignment like equal to, so we can perform different operations on the variable. So to see that, let's see first the table. Here you can see the operators like equal to assignment operator, which is basically assigning a value to a variable. So basically, we are assigning a value like x equal to 10. So it is same as like y is assigning a value to x. So and the second one is plus equal to addition operator. So basically, this one is work like this. Like you can see the same as in which we are just adding a x plus 5, like a value to the x is equal to x. So basically we are adding the value in the x, and the value of the x is having additional value, like we are adding 5 here, and that assigned to the x. Like if the value of x is 10, so we are adding the 5 in it, so we are getting in the x is 15. So we can also use it like this as a shorthand, x plus equal to 5. And same goes for the other operators which we have used in the arithmetic operator, like for the subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulus and exponential. So like we have see this one in the previous video, these operators. So if you don't know what are these operators, please check my previous video on the arithmetic operators. So let's start the code. So I have just created one file here, assignment.html. So here we are gonna add a script tag. In the script tag, we are gonna start the assignment operator. So here, like if I'm creating a variable x, which is having a value 10. So if I want to assign a value to x, like I want to assign x equal to x plus 5. So what do you think? What is the value of this? Like I have already explained you to, let's see what is printing in the console. So you can see here we are getting 15. So we can also do this by a shorthand. Like if I am using like this, I am adding the plus operator here before the equal to, and if I am saving this value, saving this file, so we are getting again 15 here. So this is same goes for the other operators, like I am showing you here, console dot log x minus 5. So let's see what will be the value there. So I will just in the console, I think don't we need that. So you can see here we are getting 10. Why we are getting 10 here? Because firstly we have added the value to x by 5, and we are now subtracting it by 5. So if you getting any confusion, let me first just comment this code. So now you can see here we are getting 5 because we are minusing the 5 from x. And we can also do the same thing for the multiplication. Like I can write here also the string multiplication. So if I'm now multiplying the value of x by 5, so let's see what will be the value there. So it is showing us a, oh, okay, so now you can see if I am multiplying the x, let me just comment this also. So you can see here the multiplication value of x is equal to 50, and we are going to do the same things for the division one divides. So I will just use here the divide operator. So here you can see the value is equal to 10. So it is now showing the value as 2 because its value is 10 and it is divided by 5. So now do the same thing for the other operators. Divide one is covered, and we can see the modulus operator. Now you can see it is showing us 0 because it is dividing the value by 5 and it is getting a remainder as 0. So now we are going to use exponentiation operator. So here I have added the console log like exponentiation, and here I am just I'm just giving the power of x as 2, like it will multiply the x value like 2 times. Like if I am using the 10, it will multiply 10 by 10. So let's see what we are getting in the console. So you can see we are getting here the 100. So these are the assignment operators, and this like this we can use the arithmetic operators with the assignment operators, which is we called as compound assignment operators. So yeah, that is it for the today's video. I hope you have understand everything which I have show you here. And if you have any question regarding this, please leave a comment in the comment section. I will definitely reply you. And uh, if you have any other suggestions regarding that, please also add that in the comment section. And I will meet you in the next video. So till then, goodbye.